This video is related to order of operations. So you might remember an acronym used in school called BEDMAS, which helps you remember the order of operations. So the B, remember, stands for brackets. E stands for exponents. D stands for division. M for multiplication. A for addition. And S for subtraction. An important thing to remember with order of operations is that you follow it from left to right, and multiplication and division can switch order, and addition and subtraction can also switch order. So depending on what you're left with and which one comes first when you're reading your expression from left to right. So let's look at simplifying some expressions using order of operations. So the first one here, I have 2 plus 9 divided by 3, subtract 9 plus 2 squared. So I need to evaluate brackets first as well as exponents. So within my set of brackets here, I can evaluate that. So on my next line, I have 2 plus, keep everything in the same spot, plus 9 divided by 3, subtract. So in there I'll have 9 plus 4, so I'll end up with 13. And since I just have one number remaining in the brackets, I can remove the brackets. So this 9 plus 2 squared became 13. So now my next step in BEDMAS, I have a division. So I must evaluate this before I do my addition and subtraction. So then I have 2 plus 9 divided by 3 will be 3. Subtract 13. Okay, now I just have addition and subtraction left. So then I just go from left to right. So I do 2 plus 3 first. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And subtract 13. And then 5 subtract 13 will be negative 8. Okay, so this expression simplifies to negative 8. I should have equal signs actually all the way along there as well. Okay, next example. So 6 times 2 divided by 3 plus 4 squared, and then subtract 6 divided by 2. So again, I have a set of brackets, so I should evaluate that first. So keeping everything in the same place as before, so 6 times 2 divided by 3 plus 4 squared, and then subtract 6 divided by 2 would be 3. And since I'm just left with one number there, I can remove the brackets. So now I have an exponent, so I should evaluate this. So I have 6 times 2 divided by 3 plus 4 squared is 16, and then still subtract 3. Now I have multiplication and division, and remember you do them in order reading from left to right. So multiplication and division can switch order. So I'm going to do the multiplication first. So I have 6 times 2 is 12, divided by 3 plus 16, subtract 3. I have a division that I have to do before I do addition or subtraction. So I have 12 divided by 3 is 4. Oops. So 4 plus 16, subtract 3. And now I have only addition and subtraction left, so I'll do 4 plus 16 first, so that'll be 20, minus 3, so I'll end up with 17 in the end. So following all those all the way along, I end up simplifying this expression to just 17. So where might you see in order of operations? It's important to know this. Often skill testing questions require you to do order of operations, so if you're playing the lottery, make sure you know how to do this. Okay, good luck. Thanks for watching.